Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HOTWAV Note 12 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And right now we are in the standard photo mode, so first of all we have to switch to the video one. Let's tap on it, and if you can see this red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So let's enter the settings which are in the right upper corner and tap on the video size which is connected with the resolution. And as you can see, in this device we've got three different options, so the FHD, HD and SD option. Currently we've got the FHD option applied, this option is marked, and of course you can change it just by tapping on other option. Right now I've got the HD option applied, it is notified here, which means that the device will use the chosen resolution, the chosen video size whilst recording the video from now on. Of course, it's up to you which option you want to use. However, I highly recommend to use the FHD as it is the best possible here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.